start.
All right, we're going to show you how to clean a hearing aid real quick. So come on over. We use audio wipes. We sell these, but you can do this just with a piece of Kleenex. And what we want to do is just wipe down the body of the hearing aid. And then we're also going to wipe down the ear mold. You can see this one's got some wax in it. So you just want to wipe these down real good. So I'm going to wipe down the body of this right one too. And then I'm going to wipe down this ear mold. So you'll see that's kind of turning a little bit yellow there. What's nice about just using one of these or a Kleenex is they're disposable. So the next thing I'm going to do is we want to be sure these microphones are clean. So you've got a microphone up on the top here, and you've also got one on the back. So what I'm going to do, normally I do this over the trash, but I'll do it right here. I'm just going to take, this is a soft bristle toothbrush, and so I'm just going to brush that out. The other thing I'm going to do is just kind of push that through, and you can see some of the junk that fell out there. So I'm just going to kind of keep cleaning this out, and that looks pretty good. And when you hold this up to the light, you should be able to see through it. I don't think we'll be able to probably show you here. Oh, did you get just a little peek through there? Yeah, so you should be able to see just a little bit of daylight through there when they're clean. So I'm going to do the other one now. And we're just going to brush those out. And then I'm going to turn my brush on edge there, and I'm just trying to push through there, and I actually, right there, you can see the chunk that came out of that side. So these hearing aids, they're working okay, but the sound can't get into them if the hearing aid's plugged up or if those microphones can't get air into them. So cleaning these out is going to help a bunch. And then the other thing that we can do is change filters. So these ones, these are those custom molds. On one side you've got the little threaded tool. So I'm going to thread this piece in, pull out my old filter. I can slide it into here and pull it off, that way it gets off. And then on the other side I've got a little bit of a applicator tool, so it's just got a little slot in there. And so I'm going to pick up my new filter, my clean one, and I'm going to put that in. And so we'll do that for the other side too, but then these are good to go. So that's the easy way to clean your hearing aids. When you're done, just throw away your Kleenex, or if you want to get some of these audio wipes that we have, they're great. They help just kind of break down that the dirt and the grime that might be on them. You don't ever want to use rubbing alcohol. It's too abrasive and it can break down the plastic in the hearing aid. And you don't want to use anything that is damp, because just water will kind of get into the hearing aid and it can make it kind of corrode and give us other moisture problems, which we don't want. But cleaning your hearing aids is a great way just to keep them working well and be sure that you're hearing well. So thanks, and we'll see you again later.